Welcome back to my channel. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about the $1,000 giveaway on my channel. Y'all, I'm going to need your help with this, but we can get it done. On September the 14th, I will turn 59 years old. Or should I say young. I still feel like I'm 15. And I'm going to throw a hint out here. 100,000 subscribers would sure be very nice. I'm about 70,000 now, getting close to it. And when we get to 100,000 subscribers, I will have a $1,000 giveaway. Not sure yet just how it will work, but we're going to do this. Y'all, I've never done a giveaway before, so I'm lost here. I just know I want to do this. So if anybody's got any ideas how to pull this off, please put them in the comments below. I need your help on this. I do know I want it only for subscribers. I do know that. So y'all help me out with your suggestions of how to get this done. And we will get it done when I hit 100,000 subscribers. Whether it's on my birthday on the 14th of September or not, whenever it is, we will do the $1,000 giveaway. Y'all, I mentioned this a month or so ago, and somebody made a comment about 2 weeks ago. Why hadn't I mentioned it again? It must be a lie. No, it's not a lie. It was just too far out. It's no need to keep talking about it. But now we're getting closer to it. I'll start talking about it more. Y'all, we can get this done. And I do want that silver play button. That picture back there, that book cover. I want to take that down and put that silver play button right there so everybody can see it. Because this is your channel just like it is mine. Y'all, just know I love you all and I need your help on this. Don't let me down. Ciao.